Today, we'll be going over how to install C2225 tie downs for your Chevy or GMC truck. Starting on the driver's side, remove the factory bolt holding the bed to the truck. You will need to save this bolt to reinstall later. Assemble your hardware onto your bolt fisher and insert it into the hole towards the front of the truck. It will come back out of the same hole. You will want to attach the provided spacer plate onto this bolt and then secure the tie down onto the bolt with the rest of the hardware. At the same time, you will also reinstall the factory bolt through the top of the tie down. Insert the coiled wire through the rearward hole, going towards the middle of the truck. Thread the appropriate hardware onto the wire and feed it back through the hole. After that, attach your hardware onto the bolts and torque them to the proper specs. Torque the factory bolt to the vehicle as well. When you're ready to use your tie down, slide your insert into the receiver and secure it with the provided pin. Repeat these steps onto the other side of the vehicle, and once that's done, you are finished with the install.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torklift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.